code that happens after within still this for loop. So let's backspace this now because it was showing us that anything after this continue I will never happen. Although this is invalid Python, so it'd throw a syntax error. So we'll delete that. Um, and so if we run this again, can make sure this is going as we expect it to. So far, so good. A third different way we could do this is instead of saying if digit equal dot, we can use the string method is digit. And so we'll say if not digit is digit will continue. Kind of confusing, admittedly. So this not is the same thing as not equal to, basically.